Welcome back to OrCAD X Capture tutorial series. In this video, we are going to cover how users can enable LiveBOM on an existing CIS local ODBC design, switch between cloud and local CIS ODBC database. We will also see how user can enable multiple property columns in LiveBOM and specify properties for schematic instances, part database, and supply chain data. We will start with the design which is configured to use the components from the cloud database. So now launch LiveBOM on the design from Tools and then submenu LiveBOM. Once in the LiveBOM view, switch to the part list view by clicking the list view icon seen on the top right section. While in the part list view, click the configuration icon to open the column and alias panel. In the column and alias panel, you can view properties and their alias headers that are seen in LiveBOM view as columns. User can use individual checkboxes for schematic, CIS, and source engine to view various properties for schematic instances, part database configured, and supply chain. To modify the properties alias or column headers, user can update the alias field for each property. Users can also remove or add properties. Here we will update the following aliases. Update refdes alias to part reference. Update part number alias to company part number. Since in our LiveBOM view we do not have description data for the components, so we will remove this property by doing an RMB and clicking delete. Add a new property PCB footprint from the schematic instances and now click apply to apply these changes. Once done, the updated columns will be seen by the user in the LiveBOM UI. Now save the design once so that updated data is pushed to the LiveBOM, and now click refresh to update the LiveBOM view. LiveBOM can also be used on existing local CIS ODBC part database. Now we will open another design and set the CIS database to local ODBC from the workspace configuration dialog. And this design or the part database uses different properties for the manufacturer part number and manufacturer, as can be seen from the part manager view that we have just opened. To map these properties and make design compatible so that LiveBOM understands the manufacturer part number and manufacturer property, launch the extended preferences dialog and switch to the LiveBOM section. Here, map the manufacturer and manufacturer part number as seen in the part manager. Now save the design and launch LiveBOM. Here, based upon the map properties, the LiveBOM will read the ambient details from our design and populate the supply chain information. We will further update the properties from the property configuration dialog. This time, let's add the source package property. Now switch back to this design, save the design and switch back to the LiveBOM and click refresh to view the latest information. So with very few minimal steps, user can configure the LiveBOM columns of choice, and with the help of manufacturer and manufacturer part number field mapping, one can enable LiveBOM on any local CIS ODBC design.